Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. Today I'll guide you through the steps to create an Outlook email account. By the end, you'll have a new Outlook account ready to use for setting up an AWS account and more. Let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Your support really helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you helpful content like this. Thank you, and now let's get started. So firstly, we are going to make an Outlook account. To do this, we must first go to their page. The link address is outlook.com. Once you have opened their website, click the square with the text "Create Free Account" in it inside it. After you finish clicking it, it will send you to either the Create Account page or the Sign In page. If it takes you to the Sign In page, click the blue text that says Create One. After that, it will send you to the Create Account page. Once there, you are going to make your Outlook email and password. After you have finished all the steps, you have finally made an Outlook account. Now finally, we have finished making the Outlook email. We can then use this when making the AWS account. Firstly, we will need to go to their website. The link to their website can be found in the description, or you can copy it off the screen. Once you are in their website, go to the top right of the page and find the white button that says Create an AWS account. Once you have found it, click the white button so that you will be taken to the Create Account page. After clicking the white button, you will be sent to the next page, which will ask for your email address and a name for your account. Now put the Outlook email account that we made before into the blanks. As for your account name, you can make that yourself. Once you are done, you can now click the yellow button that says Verify Email Address. After clicking the Verify Email Address button, they will send you a code to verify your email. Go to your Outlook email account and find the email and code they sent you. Once you find it, copy the code and paste it in their page. If you did not receive a code, you can request for a resend. Once pasting the code, we can continue by clicking the yellow Verify button. After clicking Verify, they will now ask for your password. When making a password, make sure that it is secure and unique so it does not get hacked. After you have finished making your password, click the yellow Continue button. On the next page, they will ask, how do you plan to use AWS? Pick personal. Next, they will ask for your full name, phone number, country or region, address, city, province or state, and postal code. Now fill in all the required forms to continue to the next page. On the next page, they will ask for your credit card information. Make sure that your credit card information is correct, as this may ruin the entire process. You can also change your billing address below. Once you have finished typing your credit card information, we can continue to the next part. Now we are almost finished. For this part, they will be asking for your country or regional code and your phone number. They will ask for your phone number to verify your account by sending an SMS code. Once you have put your number, you will have to complete a security check, which is pretty easy. Once you are done, click the yellow button to send an SMS. After they send a code, you will need to input it into the form requesting for it. After typing the code, click the next step. On the next step, you will choose a support plan. Choose the basic support, which is free. After choosing that, we have finished creating our account. Click the Complete Sign Up button to finish the process. Then, you've basically finished making the account. Finally.
And before you go, once again, never forget to leave a like and subscribe for more videos just like this. You can also check out my other videos if you're interested. Share this video with your friends and family so they too can start their trading journey and be able to earn for themselves too. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.